Do you want a drone that's fun, that flies well, feels great on the sticks, gets good range, the video is gorgeous, and you can do some exploring while being safe and also pretty quiet? Yeah.
Really, that's really cool. It flies smooth.
G'day, you absolute legends. Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, have you ever wanted a drone that does everything? Well, sorry, you're out of luck there, but we are pretty close when it comes to this bad boy right here. This is the Mob 8, the HD version with the walk snail stuff inside, and it has changed my mind on how I feel about these tiny little 2S quads. It is an absolute screamer that flies very well. The footage is gorgeous, and to top it off, we found the perfect location that I guarantee you're going to be very, very jealous of. Now, let's stick it on the bench. We are going to meet up with some other pilots as well, get their impressions so you can find out. Stuart, is that drone really that good? Or are you just pulling my leg? Well, you'll see what some other pilots think about it as well. Let's turn these scales on. Hopefully this is in shot in the roof cam. It's coming in at 47 grams. You probably want to throw on a 2S pack, about 500 milliamp hours. So you're probably looking at about 65 grams all up, and that is perfect. That feels like the sweet spot for this 2S little ripper. Does it do everything? No. Stuart, what doesn't it do? Well, I wouldn't say it's crazy racing. You're not going to take this to the races, but everything else, this has got it. It is fun to fly. It looks fantastic. I had no qualms because it's on ELRS. This is kind of like a little perfect package, especially if you want to do some filming or something like that. So very quickly through the components and the overview. Of course, it's very similar to the original Mob 8s. All the specs are going to be linked down below, so check those out. I'm not sure if there's a special at the time of looking on this, so whatever. Check that top link down below. It's got some 1103s, 11,000 kV motors. Yes, 1103s, 11,000 kV motors on here. And we've got our F4 flight controller in the middle. Like I mentioned, I've got mine bound up to ELRS, and it is beautiful. Didn't have any dropouts or anything like that. And then one of the stars of the show, I guess the real star of the show for me that changed my mind on this, is the HD video you've got in the middle. Like the little system right here. Get out of here, bug. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So if you are lucky enough to be having already some walk snail goggles, or you're looking at upgrading to digital, well, this footage you're about to see is going to speak for itself. So look, the designer thing, it's fantastic. It does pretty much, because I've been flying this thing a lot, it nails everything that it tries to do. It can do some freestyle, it's heaps of fun, it's great for exploring, it's very safe. The batteries are cheap, you get gorgeous video fed back to you, no range issues, dare I say more. So look, that's it on the bench. Let's go have some fun in the field, and we'll give this thing away as well to Raven for coming up. Old man Raven, see what he thinks about it. So let's jump to that and have some fun and show you the new and improved Whoop Heaven. I guarantee you've never seen a spot like this. So let's check it out in 3, 2, 1. Boop. Out here in the field, about to show you some DVR take 2, because last time I lost the SD card. But anyway, here we are. We've got old man Raven in the background, and we are going to cruise around with this bad boy, the Mob 8, but the HD version, and what a beautiful place to cruise around, if I don't say so myself. So let's do it. Raven, this drone's going out to you. So we gave Raven some, the VRX.
The walk snail.
Walk snail VRX,
yep.
And now, so we've got our walk snail here. So if this goes in the drink, sorry Raven, but let's do it. See my impressions and see what Raven thinks as well. All right. Here we are in what I like to call Whoop Heaven, or maybe Whoop Heaven number 2. If FPV was a place, this is where it definitely would be for whoops. This is all where all whoops want to go. Cruising around here, there are so many little gaps, pathways. There is a little bit of water, but I think that makes it a little bit more exciting. But yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. Minus some bin chickens that sometimes get in the way. If you don't know what a bin chicken is, well, you can look it up. But let's talk about the Mob 8 HD with the walk snail in here. And yeah, I think in a moment you're going to see Raven talk about it as well. But like he says, I'm in love. It is a gorgeous drone. It was a bit of a dog to fly around on 1S, but cruising around on 2S, that is exactly where it's at. It feels fantastic on the sticks. Look at this video you're getting fed back to you. It has got plenty of poke. You're going to see when Raven pushes the throttle a little bit more. It's very stable, really easy to control. It's super quiet. You'll get to see that when it's cruising around, and all in all, I think it's a fantastic little package. That's why I said at the start, we are getting pretty close to a drone. It doesn't do everything, but it is pretty damn
damn close. So I think it is definitely a step in the right direction. And Happy Model, they've been killing it really since their beginning Mobula days. They've really known what the community wants, how the FPV pilots feel, and we have a drone that really delivers here now. One thing I would say, it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive, so please check that down below versus analog. You need to weigh up, is that cost worth it for you? Because it depends really what you want to get out of it as well. It's very safe, you can see heaps of stuff, but there is also the analog version. But for me, this is kind of like the dream. Having a drone, you can hit these tiny gaps, do everything you want, and just cruise around and truly feel free like a bird, maybe even a little bit of acro. But what we should do, let's bring it in for a landing, hand it over to old man Raven.
Ready? All right, Raven, there's the Mob HD. What did it look like in the air? You haven't flown it yet, but when I was just cruising around, how'd it seem?
Oh, it looked really good. I always like drones that are quiet too, because you know you can do some covert flying. So it was really quiet, but it didn't look like it was underpowered.
Okay.
So you were pulling loops and whoops and flips and flops.
All right, let's do it. Let's put some the packs in there. Let's get the goggles on you and see how we go. Okay, we've taken off. Raven, how is it?
Oh man, I love it. It's, you know, after flying analog for so many years, having finally a whoop that is digital is like a dream. And it's actually a good quad. I mean, it's not like they just banged on, you know, the module and just hoped for the best. It looks like it's actually an option, a viable option.
Do you feel confident?
Yeah. Like, I'm not pushing it because I don't want to crash this thing yet, because I want to put lots of packs into it, but yeah.
Over the analog version, what do you reckon?
Oh, it's night and day, bro. Like, you know, analog is fine, don't get me wrong. It's what I'm used to, I trust it, but if I can get that same level of trust with this, there's no point in flying analog, because it comes down to safety.
Yep.
So if I'm flying by myself especially, spotting soft targets and people is really hard in analog. With this, you can see a freaking dog walker from 500 meters away, it feels like. So,
and even though you're flying around on my goggles, you'll be able to link this up to your Walksnail VRX.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it's not going to be too much different. I know with the 030 goggles, like it's a lower, they're probably the lowest resolution of all the OLEDs, because they're one of the earliest. It's still fine. I mean, you know, compared to analog, it's still going to be a lot better. I can't see my volts either.
Alright. Who would you recommend this to?
Anyone. I mean, anyone who's a newbie even, it'd be great for a newbie. But even pros, I mean, you know, I've been flying 5 or 6 years and I'm still impressed. It's a 2S whoop too, which I think makes a difference.
Yes, we did try to fly this on 1S and it feels rubbish.
Yeah, and I think that's why the video cut out too. It was a voltage issue. But, I mean, 2S,
we haven't had any problems.
Oh, it's amazing. And look, she's got... Oh, yeah, I hadn't even given it any stick. This thing has got balls, man. Yeah, okay. I'm in love. Yep, thank you. This is... and Happy Model, I mean, Happy Model have been making awesome micros for the community since day one. And the Mob 6, you know, if the Mob 8 is like the new Mob 6 for digital, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Happy Model. This is awesome.
Alright, bring it in.
Stuff, yep, perfect.
I'll let you unplug.
Yep, thank you.
Man,
Man, that's really cool. It flies smooth, and
does.
it's got, like, I barely gave it any balls. That's got,
except when you're out there. I saw some blips, but
that's got some power to burn. That's usually the 85mm whoops have always been what I call a bus in the air, a boat. It's like a slow lumbering thing, more like a, I don't know, a tiny hawk or something. This is like a proper micro with some protection, so you can fly it inside maybe, and the whole point for me is learning how to do cine whooping. So maybe doing some proper filming, and I've never really committed to it, but this, I mean, it's safe. I'll be able to fly this around Ferraris and Audis and stuff, which is what I want to film. So yeah, awesome. That's amazing.
Nice. Rightio, so there it is. There's my review of the Mob 8 HD version, and on a 2S pack, this thing is an absolute dream. So it is gorgeous to fly. It does everything we want it to do, except probably races. Racers wouldn't be into this. If you're going to like some meetups and you're racing all the time, it's not going to be competing against those 5-inch drones or anything like that, but that's not what it's made for. Do you want a drone that's fun, that flies well, feels great on the sticks, gets good range, the video is gorgeous, and you can do some exploring while being safe and also pretty quiet? Yeah. Well, this is it. So look, hope you enjoyed that. Definitely drop some comments down below. Share some Share some, that sounds like Charlie talking, that's my dog. Share some love for Raven, put some comments down for that man as well down below. Huge shout out to him, thanks for coming along on that adventure. Subscribe for more FPV related content. I have one more message for you guys. Be kind to each other, but the number one thing, be kind to yourself. Why? Because you are awesome and you deserve it. And as always, happy flying.